In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is semantics. In semantics, I told you about lexical relations. In lexical relations, we discussed so many topics such as synonyms, antonyms, prototype, hyponyms, and some other types. Listeners and audience, today in this lecture I am going to tell you another relation in lexical relation, and that is metonym or metonymy. Metonym or metonymy, I will tell you that what is metonym and also the difference between synonyms and metonyms. So first of all, let me tell you what is metonym. I say that metonymy and metonym, they are the same. What is metonym? Metonym is the relationship of two words or two words when they are associated with meaning with each other. Such type of association is called metonymy. I am repeating. Metonymy means when two words, they are nearest related with each other and having association with each other in meanings. Based on that association, we call them metonymy. And when we say metonymy, one word is identified by another word. For example, when we say I read Oscar Wilde. Listeners and audience, when I say I read Oscar Wilde, so here it does not mean Oscar Wilde. It actually means the poem of him. Oscar Wilde means or some written work of him. If I say I read Oscar Wilde, it means I read the work of Oscar Wilde, or I read one of his poem. So that's why it refers to his poem. This is one example. Another example is if I say, for example, the king presented the address. Now listeners and audience, if I use a word which is the metonymy of this word, so definitely the word will be the crown. So the metonymy of the king word is crown. So this word is substituted by another word. I am repeating now the definition. As I told you that when two words are more than two words, when they are nearest in meanings due to association with each other. So two words nearest in meaning by their nearest association with each other, that is called metonymy. And metonymy, one word is substituted or replaced by another word in order to identify that word. So the king presented the address. Here the king means the crown. You may use another word, the president. So the metonymous word for the king is crown or president. And there are so many other examples as well. Now the question arises, then what is the difference between synonym and metonymy? Listeners and audience, when we say synonym, synonym refers to two words or more than two words when they are same in the meanings with each other. So that same meanings or that words which are alike in meanings, we call them synonym. And synonyms word are mostly used interchangeably. On the other hand, when we are talking about metonymy, and metonymy word is replaced by another word, substituted by another word. And here two words are more than two words. Their meanings are having association, closely related meaning, nearest association with each other. So that association and meanings, we call them metonymy. And I presented some examples before you and hope that this topic is clear to you.